Good day and welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to update and completely replace a video that we built in 2022 explaining how to open up Apple HEIC files on Windows computers. And that's because things have changed. This 2026 update will let you open up HEIC files, HEIF files, and HEVC files, like the ones I've got right here. Now you can see these are files that were created on Apple iPhones. But HEIC is a format we need to explain first. A lot of people are just bent that Samsung and Apple, and Microsoft for that matter, just haven't paid for us to use this format. So I did some research on it, and it turns out that Microsoft, Apple, and Samsung, and a bunch of other companies don't own the HEIC codec. About 40 companies own it. It's a consortium. And for Microsoft, for instance, to get a license for this is $40 million, even though they're part of the consortium. So some of that money would come back to them. Apple, for instance, owns only a tiny fraction of the HEIC format. But when they standardized on it in 2017 for the new iPhones, boy, it's caused some real problems with interoperability. Let's take a look at some of the comments on my old video. You get pop-ups now saying you have to pay for it. You can only do 4 or 5 at a time, like you can see here. I hate Apple. Rename your video, it's misleading, blah, blah. Oh my. So I just spent the last 2 hours grinding through figuring out why this was, because I can still open these files using the method that I explained in that video. It's been absolutely making me nuts trying to figure out why I can do this and you guys can't. But I got it. There are 3 solutions that are easy for you to do. The first is to simply launch the Microsoft Store and in the search type in HEIC. And you'll see a whole pile of tools here that claim that they're free, but they're not, they're freemium. They'll either only do a small number of videos or pictures, or they'll have banners on them or some other annoyance. So the easier thing to do is to search for HEIC Microsoft. It's this one right here, the one with the little puzzle piece. And that's $1.29 Canadian, about $1 US. In the States, it literally is 99 cents US. That will bolt in the high efficiency video codec into almost all of the programs on your computer, including Paint.net in my case, Microsoft Photos, or any other graphics tool you're working with. I can't guarantee all of them, but any of them that back-end into Windows to do the heavy lifting for graphics conversions, like Paint.net does, my favorite graphics tool, also free by the way, will work great with the HEVC video extensions. And I just want to reiterate why Microsoft didn't include that. This codec brings in over $1 billion annually to the companies that license it. So they're just not going to do this for free. Second way to go is just get a tool. And there's not very many of them that do it for free, but there is one called iMazing, HEIC converter, high efficiency imaging container. And there it is. iMazing, click on that. And this actually is free. So why do I not want to use it? Well, because it's a tool unto itself. So you can't use your other tools like, say, Paint.net in my case, or Microsoft Photos, or whatever your favorite tool is. So depending on your level of sophistication and what you want to do with it, this might be great. If you just want to convert an HEIC file or a batch of them to JPEGs or MP4s, great. Look, it does it. Simple, genuinely free, great product, great reviews, used it before, no problems. The third way, however, is the way I like to do it. And that is to get the HEVC video extension, which includes the HEIC Apple, well, primarily Apple used image format for free. And then I can open HEIC files and HECF files, all of these high efficiency formats on almost all graphics programs, like my favorite Paint.net. So how do you do that? Well, you can see in my case, I already have the HEVC video extensions installed, but I got it with one of the computers I owned in the past. It came from device manufacturer, HP, Dell, whoever. At some point in the past, I owned a computer in which the manufacturer included that codec for free. So how do you get it for free? Because if you do a search in the Microsoft Store for HEVC video extensions from device manufacturer, you won't see it. Just back it up from a computer that does have it and restore it on your computer. You can see here I've uninstalled it from my machine. So now I'm just like you. If I try to launch any of these HEIC files, they just blow up. there's an error opening. I won't be able to open them with anything. If you don't want to pay the 99 cents to Microsoft, which I highly recommend you do, it's by far the easiest way, and you don't want to be locked into an app like iMazing, well, there's another way around it, which is to go to somebody's computer that does have it working, somebody's Windows 11 computer, Windows 10 for that matter, back up their copy of the HEVC codec, and then restore it onto your computer. Let's show you how to do that. Just right-click on the Start button and select anything here. Terminal, PowerShell, or command prompt will work. Just make sure you run it as the admin. And you just use the simple robocopy command. So robocopy, get this package, the HEVC video extension, and back it up into, in my case, I created a folder called ctemp3 and HEVC blah, blah, blah. Back up everything, and B is backup. So it ignores all of the security. Now, in my case, it can't find that because we already uninstalled it. But in your case, it will do the backup. Then you copy those files, go to your computer, and restore them using this command. Add app package, register. In my case, I've got my backup in ctemp and then this HEVC backup, blah, blah, blah. Done. And now I can open HEIC, HEVC, HEIF files, all the high efficiency file formats. Let's prove it. Boom! You can see there they are. These are HEIC images that were shot on an Apple iPhone 15 Pro, and I'm able to open them up on my Windows computer and use the programs that I want to edit them. In this case, I like paint.net. Well, let's make a change here and then File, Save As, and I'm going to save this as, boom, no error message. Happy as can be. So again, the easiest thing to do and the best thing to do for almost everybody here, pay the 99 cents to Microsoft. They're not gouging. In fact, I think they're actually losing money at that. But it doesn't matter. That's your best choice. If you just want an app, use the iMazing HEIC app. It works great. And it'll let you convert these to JPEGs or whatever else you want. Or you can get it from a friend's computer using the backup restore commands that we just showed you. And that's it. Hey, if you found the video useful, big thumbs up would be super appreciated. Subscribe's also appreciated. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech.ca. That's www.urtech.ca. Or you can leave a question or a comment below. And if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because yeah, on YouTube, you know, everybody's got an opinion. So thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.